As you can see by the chart on the screen, it has many different ways to distinguish a mineral. All the way on the left, it has a column labeled luster. This is the way that the light shines off of a mineral. You would first have to notice what kind of luster it has. The next column is labeled hardness. The harder the mineral is, it will be harder to scratch. The next column is the streak of the mineral. This is the color that will show if you scratch the mineral. Next is the characteristics of the mineral. This will help you identify it. Lastly, in the chart is what the mineral contains. You can't figure out what the mineral contains just by looking at it, so use the other columns first. Some key words to using this chart in the reference table are luster, hardness, color, streak, cleavage, and fracture. One fact about luster is it could be metallic or non-metallic. If it is metallic, it will be shiny. If the hardness is higher than 5.5, it will scratch glass because glass is 5.5. If it is lower, it will be scratched by glass. Lastly, these are some practice questions. The diagram on the top is an example that you can find on a test. The left column describes what property of the mineral you are looking at. The question on the bottom, which property is most useful in mineral identification, is another example that you can find on a test. The answer to this question would be hardness.